Hello guys. So today we are going to talk about GoPro Hero. So as you can see, this is the GoPro Hero. So this is the GoPro Hero, as you can see, and I want to give it out. If you are really interested, watch this video to the end and comment "I want it," and leave me your address or contact me on Instagram at TechMasterL, and yeah. So as you can see, I will show you how it works and how you can use it around. And to use it is very simple, but I will show you all the features that you have. So you can see you have a charging port, you have a place for SD, for the SD card, and you have a place to charge it, as you can see here. And yeah, and it's made in China, and yeah, so it's made in China, and as you can see, it's a cool camera. It's a cool camera that you can use, and you can use to do a video, and you can even connect it with Bluetooth. It have its own personal Bluetooth. When you on it, let us on it so that you see. So when you on it, it will make this noise, and it will be saying that there's no SD card, which is what we are going to do later. And yeah, why I love the GoPro Hero is because it's really cool. It's a cool cool camera that you can use to zoom in and zoom out. You can control this camera with your phone. So they have application which is GoPro app. You install the app on your smartphone and you can use it to control the camera. When you order it, it comes with everything that you are seeing here. It comes with this thing here, which is the protection, and it comes with how you can stick it in a car or stick it in a helmet, and then you can do your video, maybe bicycling or anything that you want to do. You can stick this thing on that and start making your video, so to protect the camera. So you can, one thing I love about this GoPro is that you can make a video in the water. Is a water resistant. You can use it and put it in the water and make your video. That is why I really love this GoPro, is that water will not enter it. So even if water enter, it will not damage it. This GoPro Hero, and that is why I really love this GoPro. So it's a cool one. I know it's an old one, but you really need to take action on it and buy this GoPro. It's very cool. It's a cool camera that you can use to really take action and start making a cool action video. So if you are bicycling, you are somebody who loves gym, doing sport, I think it's a good option. So you really need to go and order GoPro. I'll leave the link in the description below, so that you can use to order it if you want, and click on the link and you use the link in the description to order GoPro. So that is it. Like I said, it comes with this sticker here, which is to protect it. So to attach it on this sticker is very simple. You need to turn the back, as you can see, and turn the back, and you put it back inside. So when you put it back inside, then you can press this here, press this, which is this thing at the top. Once you press it to make noise, then you know that it has been stick on it. So to start your video, you just need to press this the red button. But because I turn it upside down, you will not see it. So I just showed you how you can put it. So to remove it, you just need to press this icon here, raise this up, and you bring it out, and you can set it as exactly as you want. Because we want to make video, this hole here is how you can control the GoPro. Is the section how you can control it. Like, let me say, the turning off and the turn off and on button. So to make sure it's visible and you can get to it, or it's visible to you for you to use. So just put it in this way, and you come back again, you click here,
and once you click that, you can now start making video. So to on it is very simple. You press this thing at this button at the bottom here to on the Wi-Fi, and you press here to on it, and you press this button here to on the Wi-Fi, so that you can connect it with the application on your smartphone. So yeah, so that you can connect it with the application on your smartphone, and that is how it works. Another thing is that that comes with this GoPro is that everything you can reduce this just for this to move. If you see it's shaking, so for you to make sure that it's strong, you need to tighten this, and when you shake it, you will see it's not moving again. Before it was shaking, but now it's not shaking anymore. So that is it. And once you stick this, you make sure it's attached, and you can gum it anywhere and start making your video. It's very simple. So at the end of this video, we'll try to make the video and attach the SD and try to make the video. So one thing I still love about this GoPro is that the way it zooms, the way it catch you is very clear. It doesn't have any flame like dew or anything. The video is very clear. That is why I like it, and it will be a better option for you. So you just need to go and try it out and buy your GoPro. But I will give this GoPro out, so I want you to watch this video to the end and tell me I have watched, and you contact me on Instagram. Like I say again, I will leave the link in the description below. And yeah, so that is it, and we are going to go to the session where you can see how it works and how you can take action. So I will make a short video about it, so I will just show you how the video looks and everything. So for we to make a video, we just need to make sure that everything is okay. We just need to make sure we remove everything. Like I said, you have to press this and press that and push it out like this. Then when you push it out, then you need to come to this section here, turn it and make sure you are in the section where there is this button, and push the button back. So push the button back. So when you push the button back, this will shoot out. So let me put it back. When you push the button back, this will shoot out, and now you can put your SD. So this is our SD card, as you can see here. This is our SD card, which is 32 gig. So we are going to insert that. We're going to insert it inside. So we have insert it, then we close. So once we close, then we need to make sure that we have to put it back on this protege, the protege of the camera. Then what we need to do now is to put it back inside. So to put it back, make sure that the button is visible to you. Then you press it and put it back, and voila. So once you put it back like this, and that is it. So now that we have put it back inside, so all we just need to do now is to now that we have put it back, all we just need to do here now is to do some things here, is to play the camera. So before we play, we need to on it. We need to click here, click the button here. So now that it make noise, you know that it's on. So for you to know that it's working, it will start showing green. So as you can see, currently right now it's on. So to make sure that it's on, you need to press this down button, press it. So once you press it, you will see here what is showing here. Well, here you can select the mode you want it to be. Exact mode. This is the enter photo mode, and camera settings. To enter the camera settings, all you just need to do is to press it twice, and it can take you to the section of the settings of the camera. Then either you can press it and start recording, or you just click on exit. Once you click on exit, you click it twice, it will exit. But we don't need to exit. We need to go to camera, and we need to click on it twice, and it can tell us to start recording. So to start recording, we just need to click it twice. So to start recording, we just need to click it twice.
that is to off, that is to exert on it. So to on it back again, you just need to click here, and now it's recording. Now the camera is recording. As you can see, it's counting, which I will show you the video. I will just attach the video at the side so that you can see that it's recording. So as you can see, I can zoom in and zoom back. I can zoom everything. I can video my phone. As you can see, you will see everything that I'm just doing on the screen. When I'm through editing the video, you will see how it works. So you can see that I can video this phone. I can video it around. So you can see the light is blinking. Why? Because I'm recording right now. So that is why everything is blinking. So that is it. So it's very simple. All you just need to do is to go and get your GoPro. But I don't know if it will be a good option for you. There is a Samsung I showed yesterday. You can check the Samsung out to see too. Maybe if that Samsung will be what you really want. So just check it out and see what is very useful to what you want, and take action. Just buy your camera and start creating your content. So I think this GoPro will be a better option. I'm going to give it out like I'm saying again. So don't forget to click the link in the description. And yeah, so that is all I have to say about that area. And you can see everything here. So I'm going to stop the video. So to stop it, you just need to click here. And now the video. Now the video have stopped. So we have just created the video. So that is how you can create video with the GoPro. But you know, I'm just making a tutorial about it, so it will not show everything. But normally it's supposed to show everything. But since you cannot see everything, but you will see everything when I'm through arranging the video, you will see everything about the GoPro, and I will list everything you need to know about the GoPro in the description below. So that is it, guys. I'm going to end the video right now. So you need to subscribe if this video really help you, or show you what you need to know about this GoPro. And yeah, so thank you very much, guys. This is Tech Master, and we are going to end the video right now. So thank you very much, and peace.